Hey Hind, this is Cadet P. Manogna from St. Martin's Group of Institutions, 7th Telangana Girls Battalion, NCC, Hyderabad Group, AP and Telangana Directorate. With coronavirus returning to run riot in India, here's how you can save yourself from this scourge. We, the cadets of St. Martin's Group of Institutions, are here to let you know about the basic precautions to be taken to prevent yourself from COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Take all the necessary precautions to prevent yourself from COVID-19.
This is Sergeant Sneha Varsha from St. Martin's Group of Institutions, 7th Telangana Girls Battalion, NCC, Hyderabad. As we all know, second wave of COVID-19 is more deadly and claiming death of lakhs of people in our country. Preventive care is more important when we think about fighting this pandemic. It's the primary responsibility of every one of us to bring adequate awareness among people on a day-to-day basis. Here, I would like to highlight the importance of right nutrition apart from all other preventive measures, including personal cleanliness and hygiene. The scientific facts clearly show that those people who have low immune levels are affected more than those people having better immune levels. In order to boost our immunity, right nutrition is more vital than anything else. We need to see that 100% of our DA, that means recommended dietary allowance of macronutrients and micronutrients like proteins, vitamins and minerals and phytofactors are present in our diet on a day-to-day basis. Milk and milk products, egg, chicken, meat, fish, etc. are the best sources of food where we get good amount of protein. All varieties of fresh vegetables and fruits in different colors, dry fruits and nuts help us to have all required vitamins and minerals our body needs for optimal health. Protein is called the building blocks of the body, which plays a key role in building every cell and tissue in our body. The vitamins like A, C, D, E, minerals like calcium, magnesium, selenium, zinc, and essential fatty acids like omega-3 directly promote good immune health. Fortunately, there are certain food supplements available recommended by the doctors to supplement our diet to a better extent. Apart from this, regular exercise or physical activity and a strong, positive mental attitude is equally necessary in boosting our immune health. I hope you understood the purpose and importance of right nutrition, which you are going to adopt religiously and regularly. So, let's stay home, stay safe and save the nation. Jai Hind.
Myself JSL Sindhu, regimental number TS20 SWA 171 988, College St. Martin Group of Institution, 70 Girls Battalion NCC Senior Wing. Today in this video, I am going to show 3 basic breathing exercises. First exercise, pulsed lip breathing. Second exercise, alternate nostril breathing. Third exercise, shoulder pump.
vegetable market, sanitize yourself, sanitize vegetables, wash them properly to protect ourselves from corona. Sanitize yourself from an alcohol-based sanitizer. When you sanitize your hands, follow the following steps. Rub them in between your fingers, toe, nails, and sanitize yourself. Take bath if that is a better condition. So we all should follow all these precautions when you come out from vegetable market or supermarket, etc. all outside places. Please be a responsible citizen. Please stay safe and stay home. Jai Hind.
This is Cadet Shanmuka Priya from St. Martin's Group of Institutions of 7th Telangana Girls Battalion NCC. As you have seen in the video, prevention is better than cure. Take all safety measures to prevent yourself from COVID-19. Not only staying physically fit, but also you need to stay mentally fit to prevent yourself from COVID-19 and this pandemic situations. Educate yourself and also make others to know how to stay fit and also take preventions from this all situations. Maintain social distance, sanitize yourself and keep social distance and take all the precautions you need to do in this time. Stay home, stay fit, stay healthy. This is cadets of St. Martin's Group of Institutions signing off. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.